Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can buy stocks using Cashapp. So in Cashapp there is a feature or a sector where you guys can buy stocks, alright? So I'll be telling you guys how you guys can go to that sector so you guys can buy stocks. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. Once you open Cashapp, you want to click on this little icon, alright? This little up pointing arrow icon. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says search to search for the stock you want. So let's say I want McDonald's, so I'm gonna write Mac. So let's say I want to buy McDonald's. I'm gonna write MC and choose McDonald's. Once I click on it, I'm gonna choose buy. You can also gift somebody stock by clicking on this, but I want to buy for myself, so I'm gonna click on buy. I'm gonna click on this three dot and I'm gonna enter the amount. I'm gonna buy $50 worth of the stock. Click on next and it's gonna ask me to verify my account. Now if your account is verified, after you enter the amount, click on buy, then basically the $50 from your account is gonna be taken and the $50 worth of stock of McDonald's is gonna be bought, alright? But if you haven't verified your account, it's gonna ask you to verify your account. So click on continue and verify your account so you can buy the stock which you want, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy stocks using Cashapp. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide Everybody. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.